Brian Laundrie's parents will not be given the notebook found by his remains if their bid to get access to his estate is successful, the family's lawyer has said. Chris and Roberta Laundrie placed a petition in Sarasota County Court last month to be granted access to the 23-year-old's belongings, which includes 2 bank accounts containing $20,000, according to the filing. Yet the items taken by the FBI and cops linked to the investigation will not be included, attorney Steve Bertolino said. The petition is simply to administer his estate, which is primarily the bank account, Bertolino told Fox News. The return of property by law enforcement is separate. The public had hoped that the contents of the notebooks could shed some light on the final weeks before the 23-year-old died by suicide in Myakkahatchee Creek Environmental Reserve, Florida. Laundrie was pictured with notebooks while traveling with fiancée Gabby Petito. In one photo, Brian was tucked under some blankets next to a stream and appeared to be relaxing in a hammock while they explored the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. A green spiraled notebook was seen stacked on top of a paperback edition of Lullaby by Chuck Palahniuk with a handful of fine-point ink pens. And, during their ill-fated cross-country road trip, an orange notebook can be seen inside a tent while the young couple was camping at Zion National Park, Utah. Other notebooks appear to be shelved inside Gabby's immaculately decorated 2012 Ford Transit Connect van's interior. The FBI has not revealed whether it will return the notebooks to the Laundrie family or the other items found with his body last year. Yet according to Bertolino, once the FBI closes the case on Gabby's murder and Brian's death by suicide, retained property will be returned to its owner. The FBI has also not said if they have found further information about Laundrie's last weeks or Gabby's death in the notebooks. It is unclear whether the notebooks are legible after being under floodwaters for weeks. It is unlikely the notebook's contents are legible if they were underwater for weeks, former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani told Fox. Laundrie's body was described as skeletal remains, and the FBI needed dental records to identify him. The human body can withstand water and wildlife better than paper. One expert suggested the notebook is being preserved by the FBI to aid with the investigation.